बेस्ट टीचर्स के गाइडेंस में पढ़ना इजियर होगा।
एग्जाम या हो लाइफ, अब से हर स्टूडेंट विनर होगा। समझ आएगा तो मजा आएगा।
Vedantu. Learn live online. To attend a free live class, download the app now.
Hey class, hello and welcome everyone. How are you all doing today? I welcome you all to today's series, which is CBSE 9th Doubt Series. Okay, so it's an awesome series. We are taking all your doubts, and in that way, some of the difficult questions are also being solved again so that you can revise all the concepts one more time. So today we'll be talking about the topics lines and angles and Euclid's geometry. There were no doubts from the Euclid's geometry, so we'll be only discussing the questions of lines and angles. As we have gone through that part, we didn't see any doubts in particular. Okay, so we'll be starting the class. So this is the current session right now. The previous session was on coordinate geometry and linear equation in two variables on 16th of January. If you have not checked that video out, you can go and still watch that video. And the next session will be on 20th January, which is triangles and quadrilaterals, right? Chalo. So now let us start the part. So the first question we have is this. In the figure, find the value of x where angle C is equal to 60 degree. That angle C is given equal to 60 degree. Now see how to do this part. Okay, let us see how we can solve this question. Let's first write whatever things we know about this part. We know this angle is 60 degree. This is given 25. This is given 55. Can I find out this angle? Just look at this triangle. Triangle ABD. Yes, sir. In triangle ABD, if I know sum of two angles, the third angle easily we can find out using what? So angle sum property. So I can say that, sir, in triangle ABD, I can say angle A plus angle B plus angle ADB will be equal to 180 degree. So you can say angle A is what? 25 plus 55 plus angle ADB will be equal to 180 degree. So 55 plus 25 will be equal to 80 plus angle ADB is equal to 180 degree. So I can say that, sir, angle ADB will be equal to 100 degree. Angle ADB will be equal to 100 degree. If angle ADB is 100 degree, I can say that, sir, angle ADC or this angle here, angle ADC, or I can say angle EDC also, angle EDC should be equal to 180 minus angle ADB. 180 minus angle ADB. And angle ADB we have got as 80 degrees. So angle EDC and ADC both will be same, which will be equal to what? 100 degrees. So this angle will be equal to, this will be 180 minus ADB is 100 now, so it will be 80 degrees. So this angle will be equal to 80 degree and this angle will be 100 degree. And since it is a straight line, the sum of both the angles is what? 180 degree. Right? Now you want to find out the value of x. Understand, beta, now look at particularly this figure. Look particularly here. If you look at the triangle EDC, this x is an exterior angle. So the sum of this exterior angle should be equal to sum of the other two interior angle. If this angle is 60 beta and this angle we have found is 80, I can say that, sir, x will be equal to 80 plus 60. Which theorem I have used here? Exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle theorem. So it will be equal to what? 140 degrees. So option C is your correct answer. Option C is your correct answer. Is it clear? So very easy question. Let's move to the next part. Next part we have. So in these kind of questions, bachcho, the hint is, if you will see, the whole question is dealing with the angles only. So mostly we'll be using triangles, angle sum property or exterior angle theorem, right? Let's move to the next question. The next question we have is this. In the figure, find the value of x. Okay, acha, I have taken already this question. From the given figure, find the value of x. This value of x we need to find out. This value of x we need to find out. Let's understand how we can solve this part. So beta, before I solve this question, let me tell you one thing about the phenomenal result which we have got in the 2019 for CBSE grade 10th. As you can see, the Zubin, Chaitra, Nandana and Rohan. So if you also want to score 99% in CBSE 10th also, you can join CBSE 10. During your 10th preparation, you can join Vedantu long-term courses as well. Okay, so this is the team of Vedantu 9th and 10th. Me, Anubha ma'am, Ankita ma'am and Abhishek sir. Now let's solve this question. So beta we have to find out the value of x. What else? What we know? We know some of the angles. One is this is 100 we know, this is 90 we know, this is 40, and this is x which we need to find out. Let's understand. If I talk only about the triangle, if I talk about the triangle ABC, since it is a right angle triangle beta, I can easily get the value of angle B. So I can say angle A, which is 40, plus angle B I don't know, angle C, which is given here as 90, should be equal to 180 degree. So using this I will be getting angle B is equal to 50 degree. Angle B will be equal to what beta? 50 degree. I now know that sir B is 50 degree. Now shift your focus to this triangle. Which triangle? BED. This triangle. In this triangle beta, I know this is 100 and I know this is 50. So the value of third angle I can easily find out. So I can say now that sir in triangle BED, B I know is 50, E I know is 100, plus angle D is what? X. This should be equal to 180 degree. So you'll be getting x is equal to 30 degree. So the correct answer for this question is what? 30 degree. Understood? So very easy question. Triangles, angles and property beta we are using here. So now I was saying about this part ki bhai, this is your 9th grade, all of you are in 9th grade, and you must be wondering, you must be doing your revision right now, you must be learning, going through all the chapters. If you are feeling difficulty in any one or two chapters, so I would suggest you can join Vedantu micro course. These micro courses are chapter specific courses, and right now there's a good sale going on that all the micro courses are just at ₹9, flat at ₹9. You have 2000 plus courses to choose from. So these are the chapter specific courses. You can select for chemistry, you can select for maths, you can select for physics. All these courses are available at ₹9. Okay, so now these are the micro courses beta. These micro courses are for those students who are already pretty much done with all the syllabus, with the whole syllabus, but have doubt in one or two chapters. So those chapters doubts can be taken care of using the micro courses. But there may be some of you, or there may be many of you who are still not pretty confident about the whole syllabus. You are trying to learn, but since you are not able to understand many part of it, you are not feeling confident. In that case, you can join Vedantu 9th CBSE crash course. In this part, you'll be having physics, chemistry, maths, biology and SST. All these subjects will be taught to you. In the revision, quick revision will be there. Comprehensive test, assignment, so that you can practice more and more questions. Live classes will be there. Doubt solving by academic mentors will be there. Okay, replay of the recordings or replay of the recording of the session you can watch. If for some reason you were not able to watch a session, you were not able to present in a session, you can watch the replay. So you can still gain the knowledge. That is not the case of any tuition or any school, right? This you cannot do in any tuition or any school. Then important tips and tricks to crack CBSE 9 rank poster quizzes and previous year paper analysis, right bacho? Now let's move to the next question. If this CD is perpendicular to AB, this CD is perpendicular to AB, and CE bisects angle ACB. So this CE is dividing this angle ACB in two equal parts. Find the value of angle DCE. Where is beta DCE? DCE. This small angle we need to find out the value. This small angle. Okay, this small angle we need to find out the value. Let's see how we'll be doing it. First, understand this thing. I know, sir, this CD is perpendicular to AB. So if I talk beta about this part, I can easily get this angle by using angle sum property. So 180 minus 90 minus 50. So I can say that sir angle ACD will come out to be 40 degree, right? Correct, Nayar? This is 90 since it is perpendicular. 90 plus 50 is what? 140. So 180 minus 140 will be this angle, which is equal to what? 40 degrees, right? So this angle beta we have got as 40 degrees. Which angle? Angle ACD. Angle ACD we have got as 40 degree. Now I know. Now see. Now shift your focus to this part. So this angle beta we have got already that sir this angle is 40 degree. Now shift your focus to this part. Which part? This large triangle, this large triangle. In this large triangle, beta, I know one angle is 50 degree. I know the second angle is given 22 degrees. So the third angle means what? This whole angle I can get. So I can say that, sir, 50 degree in triangle A, B, C, angle A is 50, angle B is 22, plus angle C, which is what? Angle ACB, I can say should be equal to 180 degree. So you will be getting 50 plus 22 is what? 72, plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. So angle ACB will be equal to 180 minus 72, which means what? 108 degrees. So this whole angle, now beta, this whole angle is 108 degree. Now I know that since CE is bisector, CE is bisector, so CE is dividing angle ACB in two equal parts. Okay, CE is dividing angle ACB in two equal parts, because CE is what? Bisector. So I can say that means, sir, angle ACE, this angle, this part of this angle, beta, this part of the angle, angle ACE should be equal to half of angle ACB, should be equal to half of angle ACB, which means it is half of 108 degree, that means 54 degrees. So angle ACE is equal to 54 degree. But why I am doing all this? Understand, there is a reason behind why I am doing all this. Because beta, see, I now know that, sir, this angle is 40 degree, and this whole angle from here to here, this whole angle is 54 degree. I can say that, sir, this angle, now understand, I am just removing all that part. I can say that, sir, angle ACE is equal to angle ACD plus DCE, right? Combining both. So I can say that, sir, angle ACE, which we have already got, is equal to angle ACD, whose value also we know, plus angle DCE, which we need to find out. So 54 is equal to, what is angle ACD, beta? 40 degree plus angle DCE. So you'll be getting angle DCE is 54 minus 40, which means 14 degree. So the correct answer is option B, that is 14 degree. Understood? Okay, so I'll just show you the solution one more time so that you can go through it. I'll show the slides of the solution so that whenever you want to revise it, you can come back again and see the solution, pause the video at this moment and check the solution on your own. Okay, so the correct answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. This is the next question. The next question is, in the figure, two straight lines AB and CD intersect at O. If COT, this COT is 60 degree, find the value of A, B and C. Okay, so let's solve this question, beta. Here I know I will be using the concept of what? Vertically opposite angles. I know that AB and CD are two straight lines. AB and CD are two straight lines, so vertically opposite angles formed will be equal. So here I can say that, sir, this angle, which is 60 plus B, should be equal to 2C. So first equation I have is angle 60 degree plus B is equal to 2C, and here I have that, sir, A is equal to 4B. Angle A is equal to 4B. Is it clear? Correct, yaar? What I have told, sir, 60 plus B, these two are vertically opposite angle, so 60 plus B is equal to 2C and 4B is equal to A. Now we need to think about solving these equations. Now see, I have three variables, beta. I have three variables, and those variables will, now see, I have three variables and only two equations, so this will not be able to give me answer. I need value of anyone. So now use your brain here. Beta, see, I can say that 2c plus a is 180 degree, but here also two variables I am getting. What I can do is, beta, understand this part, this is also a straight line. So 4b plus 60 plus b should be equal to 180 degree. So from here I can easily get the value of b. So what I'll say, that's a 4b plus 60 plus b should be equal to 180 degree. So 5b plus 60 is equal to 180 degree. So you will be getting 5b is equal to 180 minus 60, which is 120. So b is equal to 24 degrees. We have got that b is equal to 24 degrees. So I can get this value of a from this part. I can say, sir, a is equal to 4 times of b. B is what? 24. So now you can say a is equal to 1696 degrees. We know a, we know b, we need to find out c. Beta, c we can easily get from this part, yes or no? I know 60 plus b is equal to 2 times of c. B is what? 24. So 60 plus 24 is equal to 2c, which is equal to 84 is equal to 2c. That means c is equal to 42 degrees. So the values of a is 96, b is 24, c is 42. A is 96, b is 24 and c is 42 degrees. Okay, chalo. So this is the whole solution. One more time I am just showing you here so that you can understand these parts very quickly. Let's move to the next question. In the triangle ABC, the sides AB and AC are produced to D and E respectively. Okay, so these sides are produced of respectively the bisector of angle DBC and ECB intersect at a point O. They are intersecting at a point O. Prove that BOC is equal to 90 minus half. So now beta, see, first thing, understand the key terms. The key terms are that this AB and AC are produced. So these are straight lines. Second thing is DBC and EBC. Bisectors of DBC and EBC. That means this BO and OC are bisector. If this angle is given as angle 1, I know this angle will also be equal to angle 1. Correct? So I can say that, sir, in this diagram, if this is your angle 1, this will also be your angle 1. And if this is your angle 2, this will also be your angle 2. This will also be your angle 2. Correct? So beta, first thing BOC. What you can say, BOC will be equal to what beta? BOC will be equal to 180 minus angle 1 minus angle 2. That is I know. Angle BOC from the triangle I can say is equal to 180 degree minus angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle sum property. This I need to change it into this form. This I need to change it into this form. Let's understand this part very quickly. But see, first thing, you know that, sir, this angle DBC is an exterior angle. Angle DBC is an exterior angle which is twice of this angle 1. Right now? This whole angle, angle 1 plus angle 1, 2 times of angle 1. Instead of doing one thing, I will say, since you might get confused, instead of making it as angle 1 and angle 2, I will make it A and B or P and Q, so that you will get to know that what is the main part. Let's change the variable to P and Q. Okay, so this is P, this is also P, this is Q, this is also Q. So angle DBC I can say will be equal to 2 times of angle P. And I also know one thing beta, it should be equal to, so it will be equal to what? 2 times of angle P. Will it be working with this only, or shall I write it in this form? Angle A plus angle C, and here also angle A plus angle C, P plus Q. Okay, so DBC is an exterior angle. Now look at this triangle ABC. DBC, this is an exterior angle for triangle ABC, so it should be equal to the sum of other two interior angle, which is angle A plus angle C, which is equal to angle A plus angle C. So from here you can say P is equal to what? Angle A plus angle B whole divided by 2. This is the value of P. Similarly beta, this angle ECB is 2 times of angle Q. Angle ECB, which is 2 times of angle Q, and it is also an exterior angle. It should be equal to angle A plus angle B. So you can get the value of Q to be equal to what? Angle A plus angle B whole divided by 2. I think here I have made a mistake. 2P is equal to angle A plus angle C. Sorry. So these are the values of P and Q. What I have told, once again I'll repeat bachcho, listen here carefully. What I have told, that let's say sir, if this angle is P and this angle is Q, since BO and CO are the bisector, this will also be P, this will also be Q. So this whole angle became 2P, this whole angle became 2Q. Now this angle DBC, as you can see here beta properly, for this triangle, for triangle ABC, this triangle at the top, for this triangle ABC, this angle DBC is an exterior angle which will be the sum of other two interior angle, which is angle A plus angle C. So I have told angle DBC, which is 2 times of angle P, is equal to angle A plus angle C. Similarly, angle ECB, which is 2 times of Q, will be sum of other two interior angle, which is angle A plus angle B. So I have got the values of P and Q. Let's put the values of P and Q in this part. Let's put the values of P and Q in this part. So beta, what we have got? We have got that sir, P is equal to angle A plus angle C by 2 and Q is equal to angle A plus angle B divided by 2. Let's put these values in the proper equation which we have got, which is what? The angle sum property equation. Angle sum property. We know BOC will be equal to 180 minus angle P plus angle Q, right? So what I can say, sir, angle BOC is equal to 180 minus P. What is the value of P, beta? P is angle A plus angle C divided by 2 plus Q is angle A plus angle B divided by 2. Now it will be equal to 180 minus, I think you might can see the answer. 2 is the common denominator, A plus B plus C. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C. What is this part, beta? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Beta, angle A, this is your angle A, this is your angle B, this is your angle C. Sum of the three interior angles of an triangle will be equal to 180 degree. So I can say, sir, this part should be equal to 180 degree. So you have got angle BOC is equal to 180 minus A plus 180 by 2. Let's split the denominator. So you will be getting angle BOC is equal to 180, then split the denominator. So you will be getting angle A by 2 plus 180 by 2. So you will be getting, which is equal to 180 minus A by 2, and 180 by 2 is minus 90. Remember, this minus will be multiplied to both. So distributive property we have used, so it will become minus into plus minus A by 2, minus into plus minus 90. So you will be getting 180 minus 90 is 90 minus angle A by 2. So angle BOC we have proved to be equal to 90 minus half of angle A. Half of angle A means what? A by 2. Understood? So what we have done, once again I will repeat. First I have told this is angle P, this is angle Q. So if these are bisected, this will become 2 times of P. This whole angle will become 2 times of angle Q. Then I have used the exterior angle theorem here. So I know that this 2P should be equal to angle A plus angle C. So I have got the value of P, and 2Q should be equal to angle A plus angle B. Then I have got the value of Q, which are given here. Then I know that angle BOC should be equal to 180 minus angle P minus angle Q, triangle sum property in the lower triangle. Then I have replaced the values of P and Q. I have got my answer. As simple as that. Okay, beta. So that is the easiest method. This is also here. You can see, check your answer once again here if you are having any doubt in this part. Okay. Chalo. So now I was talking to you about the Vedantu 9 CBSE crash course, where I have told ki beta, you can opt for Vedantu 9 crash course if you are not feeling still confident about this whole part, and we will be covering physics, chemistry, maths, biology and your SST 5 subjects, full syllabus revision along with test, along with assignments, along with the academic mentors. Your mentoring, they'll be mentoring you what to solve, how do you solve the questions, any doubts in between, live sessions, everything you'll be getting at the price of 5,700. But for that you have to use a code. What you need to do is you need to go to the link vdnt.in/YT9CBSC. Go to this link, click on buy now. There, right, I have a coupon code. click on that and apply the coupon GPCC, and the whole course, which is of 15,998, you'll be getting in 5,700. Awesome deal. 5 subjects with live classes, test, assignments, everything is you are getting at this price, and all the 5 subjects which are like the most important subject out there, right? So I hope make a wise decision. Whatever you need, whatever you think is good for you, make a wise decision. You can make for micro courses also, or you can opt for whole crash course as well. Okay beta, so in the classes, in the live class, you'll be getting quizzes, we'll be having leaderboard. Okay, everything will be doing there. Also, join the Vedantu Telegram group. The link is shown here. On this given link, if you'll join, you'll be able to join the Vedantu's 9th and 10th group. Okay, bacho. If you have liked this video, if you have loved this video, like this video with your friends. Like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel. And you can also contact me at gopal.paliwal@vedantu.com for any queries. Okay, bacho. So this is all from my side in today's class. I'll see you soon in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Good night. See you. Bye bye, bacho.